Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Info, and today's video I got hands on Sony latest smartphone Sony Xperia Z3. Sony launched a smartphone in India at an initial price tag of rupees 51,990 and it is available from today, September 25. On the front it features 5.2-inch tile-luminous display with a resolution 1920 by 108 pixels. It has pretty good viewing angle. It has dual speaker on the front and 2.2 megapixel camera which is capable of recording 1080 pixels video. At the top it has 3.5 mm audio jack and a microphone. On the right hand side there is a tab. On revealing it, it shows the nano SIM and micro SD card slot, and a power button, volume rocker button, and a camera button which can be used to click images. On the left hand side it has a magnetic slots available for charging. Right now it is not available, and if you have to charge it you have to purchase separately. And the another one is covered with slab. It is micro USB slot which can be used for data transfer and charging. At the bottom there is nothing. At the back it has Sony branding and 20.7 megapixel camera with LED flash. On the software front it runs on Android 4.4 KitKat. It has 3 GB RAM and 16 GB inbuilt memory. The inbuilt memory can be expanded further up to 128 GB. And out of 16 GB only 11.57 GB is available, and as of now there are 699 MB space is already occupied by apps and 573 MB occupied by pictures and videos. Although it's a pretty good device and at such a price tag it costs more out of your pocket. It packs 3100 mAh battery with stamina mode, and according to company claims it will last up to 2 days. The quick setting panels gives you quick access to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data settings, brightness, Wi-Fi spot, roaming, location, NFC and stamina mode. It has connectivity features like 3G, Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, Bluetooth version 4.0, NFC and many more. It comes with preloaded apps like Facebook, News from Social Life, Line, Kobo, Evernote and many more. At a first glance the phone looks pretty good, and but with a few changes when compared with Xperia Z2, this smartphone doesn't seem to work like Xperia Z2 in market. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video.